So I haven't made a vlog in a long time, so I'm making one though because there's a hurricane coming up and we're getting ready for this thing. We gotta move everything that's over here out of here. There's my dog. I didn't hear you. You ready for this hurricane, Sadie? Yeah. Let's go. Does this work?
Let's go. Let's work it. Let's go. Let's do this.
What happened? What happened?
Dead frog.
Where?
Over there.
Ew.
I tried to pick that thing up. I can't run.
Category 4 hurricane.
It's 5.
Hurricane Irma. It's 5 now, but it's 4 and hits us.
Okay.
It's gonna hit us, and we're like, my house is like on the eye of the hurricane. Now, we're going to Publix to try and get us some more water and stuff. We don't have
I'm not gonna get anything.
Maybe some bread, some snacks. But I have a feeling there's gonna be nothing left. We have those full of gas, generator.
Can we stop and get like can we stop at Wawa?
Yeah. All this stuff is gonna be gone, I feel like.
We have a lot of outside landscaping and a lot of outside furniture that we have to bring in. We out.
Like this hurricane, no one really knows what it's gonna be like. Like the last hurricane we had that was bad was Hurricane Andrew, and that was in 1992, I think.
Yeah.
And
We had
destroyed,
Matthew, but it did nothing.
All of Miami. I feel like because we don't live by the water. We live like 30 minutes from the ocean, but a lot of my friends live by the water. So, and it's gonna have a lot of flooding because the waves are supposed to be like 25 to 30 feet. So, sponsored by Publix.
Not. I said if there's any like.
Look at this.
What's here?
Nothing.
What was water?
Water?
That was water.
All this is water. There's no water at all.
Stone cold love, rose gold slug. I could afford it, I imported stone cold drugs.
Teamwork.
No. Wait, you're going too fast.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Maybe not.
Stop!
This is the finished product. Everything's gone. All the chairs. Everything's gone. We put everything in the shop. We layered everything up.
I know you're somewhere.
We in the know-yo right now. Gotta get some geocache. But I guarantee you it's in this box right here. It's right in there. How you get it out? You pull like this and watch. Oh, we found it. Oh. Geocache number 1.
The geocaching app.
Oh, you got the app?
Then it shows you where the geocaches are. You go there, you find it.
It's your scavenger hunt thing, but like there's like 1,000 of them in Florida. So like you get the app and then it gives you like the GPS points for it and then you go find it. You gotta hit it. I want to flip off it. Let's see if Jordan can muscle up. Oh, he's little.
Oh, you gotta kick your body, alright.
Yeah.
So big, but he's just a quarterback.
Let's see that.
I'm Steve Irwin. You got some wild iguanas out here. Now look at this terrain. Some tough terrain. Oh, whoa! That was a big one.
There they go. Hi, they go. What are we doing, Jen?
Decided we were gonna go to the beach the day the hurricane.
The hurricane's here.
It's okay, it's gonna blow me.
The sand is blowing in my eyes. But hey, Jen, vlog life or no life, what am I saying? I don't know if you can hear me, but this is what the beach looks like, and there's an hour from the hurricane. And you know, there's a lot of people here, so I don't know why there's so many people. I mean, they're stupid like us.
Long hair across the room, baby, she got that glow. I know you see me over here, so dance on me real slow. We've been going for about 2 hours, and I don't even know your name. So baby, please reveal.
They're yelling at us to get off the beach now.
They just blocked the bridge off so no one can go in, only people can go out. And I was on live, and I ran into a pole. And I cut my leg open.
Oh.
This isn't even bad. You overreacting.
Oh, goodness.
Dad, no.
Well, stop being a wuss. God.
Guys, it
Wuss.
hurts. Ow! Jerry!
That's how you have to do it, dude. Just suck it up.
Mom.
Suck it up.
Look at the cut. It's like 2 inches. It's not even bad.
I know. Suck it up.
And I spit fire. Burn it.